This is world time clock with 6 countries in separate cabinets, so it can be placed in the room as per desire. The communication by RF from master time, in this case Bombay time, will ensure that all the clocks are synchronized to the second. Presently the master clock is been kept off, so each clock can be adjusted from minute to minute by using the buttons on the side. Hour button and minute button. The other controls include brightness, wherein the brightness can be adjusted from 1 to 9, and the hour can be in 12-hour mode or in 24-hour mode as desired. The dot colon can be kept blinking, dot BL blinking, or can be kept steady. Now we shall switch on the master time. The master clock now transmits the time by RF, that is indicated by the dots that is flashing onto the left of each unit. Now once it is under the control of the master clock, every clock can be adjusted only in multiples of half an hour. So now if I press this, it will increase to 227, 257 by pressing plus button, and then in the other direction it will be minus button. This way all clocks are synchronized and all the colons will be flashing together. Thank you.